Alright, so I'm working on the part for a car that I've been, or for the XP that I've been looking at, and thought I lost these metal screens. Turns out I found them. So I was looking at these, found these at a junkyard, and I was like, oh, these would be cool just to have. I was gonna slap them on the toolbox, and then I was like, well, what if I trim this out and run shape the side marker, and then put the side marker to make it run right in the middle, and trim the mesh wire that goes inside here to fit as well, so it'll be wire on the outside with the marker sitting right there. And then I'll repaint these silver, throw a fresh coat of black on here, and make it work. And then I'll just slap on the double-sided tape. And the reason why people ask me is like, why do you have these JDM VIP ones? Why don't you use them now? Well, I'm saving these for when I take the VIP fenders. They're fiberglass, and I need to make sure that they're all fixed because they do have trimming, they do have holes. Got to take them body shop, have it worked, and then have it painted, of course. And then I was gonna slap these on once I put on the fenders, just because I don't want to try to pry it off with the 3M, and then next thing you know, I snap these, because this isn't metal, this is straight up plastic, and these were not cheap. So that's why I'm not putting these on. I'd rather put those on where it's cheap, and I can put on the stock black fenders for the hell of it. Something to do. And then we'll be trimming these as well, because I'm gonna finally put these onto the air vents from the Eclipse and throw them on the center console for the other center console I have, and I'll be selling those at the pop-up. So let me go ahead and get the fitment right. I gotta double check. I did a little template, and then I'll trim, cut, and we'll just do some work on it and less talking. So let me get my food from the microwave and eat real quick, and then get started. Alright, so have it trimmed out. Went outside, checked it. It's a good size. I'm going to use this as my template. So the big side is the back. This is the front. So that's how it's going to go in the car. Then I'll just trim everything around here so it slides, pops right in. So I just got to mark this off. And then I'll trim everything out with using the Dremel. Have all my bits, and then I'll use the filing set to file all the plastic and make it nice and clean. And then we'll be good to go. And then I'll trim this as well, or cut it, and then we'll repaint the silver. Alright, let's get going. Trim the centerpiece. Now I gotta trim along the outside. So, trying to get this evened up. And then we'll do something like that. Should be fine. Alright, let me get that going now. Like so, yeah. I didn't even have to trim the top. So like that. Damn, son. Oh yeah. This back and forth shit sucks. Alright, so I put the metal screen in there just to have a visual. Might have to trim more off of it, but there's always something there. Kinda should have shaped it though, damn it. Here's what it is now. Shit. Well, that's how we're marking it for now then. Damn, I'm gonna have to get some more of this mesh. Kinda wanna shape it right. So I ran to Lowe's, just because it's close to the house. Found the mesh. It's a little bit smaller, but it has a better texture. This, like a roll of this, would cost like 20 bucks. I don't need a whole freaking roll, just need a little bit. So just gonna match it right here, cut what I need, and use it. And this cost me $5. So easy peasy. And back to the house. Here's the Holy. Yeah! Fuck, I love his truck, bro. That shit is so dope. God, that's so sick. Yeah, I've been trimming on this. Got it to where I think it's fine now. And so something like this. And yeah, kind of looks leveled out. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be rocking with for now. Kind of actually like the flat black, it stands out. So let me go ahead and create the other side and we're gonna slap these on. But yeah, I'm digging it. Alright, so I trimmed both left and right now. Just gotta figure the cut for this to match. I might make this one just a little bit tighter because I know this one has a pretty much good gap in it. Let me try to make this one just a little bit tighter. So let me start Dremel all this off and then 3M tape it and we'll slap this on, see how it looks. Paint it, trying to dry it off because it is cold. Trying to get this on today. Damn it, I think I may have fucked up. When I was drying it using the heat gun, I warped it. So I'm gonna try to warp it back and then slap it on, but you can see the top is distorted. It doesn't have that shape and that's drooping. So this one is, you can see it's crooked. I gotta heat it up and flatten it back out. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix it because I want to put them on. Damn it, that's what happens when you rush it. It's getting dark outside, so I'm trying to finish this video. Alright, let me try to save this. Oh, can't save it, guys. Fucked up. Fuck. Alright, gonna have to order another one or try to find this something similar and order it and then try again. So damn, I shouldn't have rushed. I fucked up. Damn, it was going so good. And I got freaking napkin touched it, messed it up. So this turns out I had to be sanded down and I'm just gonna have to find another set and redo this and start over again. Fuck, man. So the whole day wasted just trying to do this and it's done. Damn, I fucking failed, bro. This sucks. So I will have to order another set. I'll keep the mesh and then order another one or try to find, I'll take a picture and see if I can find this style again because I got this at the junkyard. So I'm going to find another one, retrim it, do it all over again because everything was going good until I put it on the heat gun and tried to dry it quick because it's getting cold and trying to finish this video. So because I rushed it, I failed. And now I have to start all over and buy another set. I'll find it on like eBay or some shit. Alright, y'all. So gonna have to cut it here. Sorry that this didn't work out. And we'll have to start over.